There's a couple ways to get Amazon Prime for free. The first and easiest way is to click the shortcut affiliate link in the description that will take you to this page. If you are between 18 and 24 years old, or if you're a student, you can actually get Amazon Prime free for 6 months. That's $0. You also get Grubhub Plus, which allows you to get free food deliveries with your membership. And after that, Amazon Prime is 50% off. You also get Prime Video with this, so you can watch movies, stream things, and you get free fast delivery. I've had Prime for probably over a decade now. I think it's totally worth it. And this 6 months for free is absolutely worth it. All you have to do is click this little yellow button right here to try, and then you either verify as a student or verify that you're 18 to 24 years old. Now, if you're not, you actually can get Prime for free for 30 days. If you click the other link in the description down there, it'll actually take you to this page where you can start your free 30-day trial. So that's how you can get Amazon Prime free for 30 days. Same thing, unlimited streaming with Prime Video. You actually get Amazon Photos with unlimited storage, Prime Gaming, a Twitch channel sub if you're interested, Grubhub Plus, all these different things here with your Prime membership, as well as super fast shipping. So if you're between 18 or 24 years old or a student, you get Amazon Prime free for 6 months. If you're not, you get it free for 30 days. And that's how you can sign up for free Amazon Prime.